Marketplace is a free and searchable content hub powered by fellow Travefy users. It allows you as a travel professional to search items such as itineraries, travel content, destination content, forms, automations and workflows, saved messages, documents, and more. You can freely save content to your account's library to customize and use at no additional cost. Once you find something that you would like to save to your library, select the item, and from here you can actually go through and get a high-level overview of all of the descriptions and information that's going to be included. Once you decide that you would like to keep it in your library, select Copy to Library, and you'll be able to find it by going right to your library navigation button, and it will be right there at the top for you to further customize to your liking. Now, Travefy users have full control over the content shared to Marketplace, and content can only be accessed by other Travefy users. Any Travefy user can share their library items in Marketplace. If there's something that you want to share, go ahead, select the item in your library, select Share at the top right, select this button, and from here you'll see at the very bottom where you can list it on Travefy's Marketplace. Go ahead and click Done, and that will allow others to find it and save it to their library as well. Now, Travefy is also partnered with various tour operators, DMOs, DMCs, content suppliers, and more to provide top-notch content to any Travefy user to access and share. But that's it. That's a high-level overview of Travefy's Marketplace. If you have any questions or would like to set up a free training, make sure to reach out to us at professional@travefy.com or select the chat button in the left-hand corner. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to check out the rest of our Getting Started video guide.